Hi, another Babs Tips here. I'm going for it today. So we've had our windows cleaned on the outside, and on the inside we've got water splashes. I don't know if you can, whoops, I don't know whether you can see them. Oops, oh sugar, or not on the window. But sugar. I'm going to show you how to clean them. And you don't need any liquid detergent. All you need is a blue cloth, one of these high fibre cloths, okay, you buy from the supermarket, okay, and then these absolutely fabulous ones. Not very clear, is it? Let me just see if I can put it down. So this, all right, so this is the green cloth. This is the green drying cloth. They are super, and this is one of the other just high fibre cleaning cloth. So all you do is just put warm water on here and just wipe it over your window, which I'm going to demonstrate, and just a little area just to very quickly show you. Okay. And then the green drying cloth. I also use this on my shower. I'm going to do it all properly again up the top, but there you go. You can see how quickly that dries. No more spots and looking fabulous, darling. So really pleased. So I really recommend these drying cloths. They're called the glass cloths. So I've got one from a shower. So I do exactly the same. After a shower, I rinse all the subs off, then I wipe it down with the running water, with the blue or any cleaning cloth, and then dry it with one of these green or blue glass cloth. No detergents needed at all, so really environmental friendly. Thanks for watching. Another tip from Babs Tips. Take care, bye.